Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all how to make a gluten-free boil and fried dumpling, and this one is made with yam and pumpkin flour. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. So guys, to make this recipe I'll be using Isabel's pumpkin flour and Isabel's yam flour. Isabel's products can be found on Facebook. You can contact them if you want to place an order. So I'll leave the information in the description box. So check there so you can have contact with them to place your order for these amazing products. The other ingredients that I have here are, we have their amazing Scotch bonnet pepper, their carrot mix or green seasoning powder mix, their pimento pepper powder, which is actual pimento peppers from Trinidad that have been dried and grounded into a powder, not pimento berries, guys. We have the shadow benny or culantro powder, and we also have bay leaf powder. Now this is just some of the seasonings that they carry. They do have a lot more for you to choose from and a lot more flours, and all of these ingredients carry so much health benefits. So let's get straight into the recipe now. Let me show you guys how easy this recipe is to put together. So I'm going to put in my yam flour, and now I'm going to go in with the pumpkin flour. Nice a yellow color. In goes that green seasoning powder, and in goes the pimento powder. Guys, this pimento powder smells absolutely amazing. You have to get your hands on this. It's really tasty. Give this a good mix. I'm going to add in some salt. Continue to mix. You want to make sure that it's mixed in properly. Okay guys, to this I'm going to add in my water a little at a time and start bringing it together. So I used 1 cup of water there. Now I'm just going to continue to mix this. If you need more water, you can add more. So guys, when you finish bring it together, you're going to flour your work surface. And you can continue the trend here by using a gluten-free flour, and place your dough on your surface. And now we're going to roll out the dough. You'll notice that it starts to break up. Don't worry about that. We're going to be cutting this into squares. So roll it to about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Right, once you've rolled it out, you're going to start cutting these. Don't worry about the broken edges. You'll bring those back together to make some more dumpling pieces. This will all come back together to form a ball. So just set it aside, and I'm going to continue cutting up the rest of the dumplings. So drop your dumplings into your boiling water, and we're just going to allow these to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Be very gentle with them because they're very delicate. Okay guys, when the dumplings are finished and they're cooked, you're going to drain them and set them aside. To a skillet on medium heat, add in a drizzle of oil. When your oil is hot, go in with some sliced onions and sliced peppers. Season with some salt. And we're going to saute this just for about a minute. Okay, once your vegetables have sauteed for about a minute, go in with your cooked dumplings. I'm going in with some chopped scallion or scythe as we say in Trinidad. Now to this, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now guys, this is very spicy, so you'd want to go add a little at a time and taste. You don't want to add too much. It's very potent. And I'm also going to add in some more of this pimento powder to add some more flavor and toss. I can smell that pepper. It's like so spicy. So give this a mix. Be careful not to break apart the dumplings. And once mixed, this is now ready to be served. How easy was that, guys? It doesn't need a lot of cooking. So I'm just gonna plate this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is the way we like to serve dumplings in our home. We like to fry it up after it's finished cooking. You can use oil as I use, or you can use butter. But those that pepper, the pimento pepper and the Scotch bonnet pepper, that just put that extra kick of spice at the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I would leave the link to Isabel's products in the description box, so you can click on there to find out more about their amazing product lineup. Thank you guys so much for joining me today in the kitchen. Try this, let me know what you think, and remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.